To stake Solana on a popular trading platform, start by opening the crypto platform. Click on the crypto icon, typically located at the bottom of the screen. To view all of your cryptocurrency balances, select the cryptocurrency you want to stake. In this case, Solana, from the Holdings section, which lists all of the cryptocurrencies currently in your account. Once you've selected Solana, you'll see a screen displaying the amount of Solana you have. Scroll down to find the section that allows you to stake cryptocurrency, and click on the Get Started button. Next, choose your desired staking rate, such as 5% per annum, from the available options. After selecting your staking rate, you'll see a screen showing the amount you've staked and your staking history. To complete the staking process, click on the Stake button. Enter the amount you want to stake, and confirm by clicking the Stake button again. Your Solana will then be staked on the platform.